Hey everybody, so I got a mail call to do from Power Surge from Instagram, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we have a mail call. I had made a comment on a gentleman's photo on Instagram because I thought his stickers were cool, and I had told him in short terms, hey, pretty cool stickers or pretty rad stickers or something like that. I don't remember exactly how I said it, but he was nice enough to send me some stickers. His name on Instagram is Power Surge, and let's get it open. He's a pretty cool dude. I'm pretty sure that he's an electrician. I do not know if he has a Facebook or not. Or not a Facebook. I don't know if he has a YouTube or not. All that came in it was a sticker. And it's a pretty rad sticker. It looks like a pipe bender and electricity. But I thought it was pretty cool. We're going to end up putting it on the toolbox on display with the rest of the channel stickers on the box. And I will leave a link for his Instagram. That's _Power Surge. That's his Instagram right there. Looks just like a sticker. Yep. California electrician, tool addict, tool reviews, strong work ethic, followed by addicted to tools and energy fabricator. This is the photo that I commented on. I told him I wish I had channel stickers, but man, definitely some dope stickers you made. That's what I commented on, and he was nice enough to send me a sticker. He's got a lot of other photos, other tools. But I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to go check out his Instagram. This looks like he just picked up a Sola small little spirit level, pocket level, probably to replace the Milwaukee one right here that's broken in his photos. But, he's an awesome guy. It was nice of him to send me some stickers, or a sticker, and I do appreciate it. They're very, very nicely made stickers too. It's going to look good on the toolbox. I'm not really sure at the moment where I'm going to put them. Probably put them right here. Yeah, right there might work. Oops. Or I might put them where the magnet tray is. We'll figure it out. I'll figure out a place to put a sticker. I didn't want to show off his address, so I just used some Scotch Blues painter's tape. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If he does have a YouTube, which he might, go check it out. I'll see if I can find it. If I do find a YouTube, YouTube, I'll link it in the description below. But just a quick little mail call. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronic affiliate links. And go check out my Ohio Power Tool links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!